Hi, so in this video we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions. So I'll just recap a few things. If you remember, we've got fraction, we're going to have the numerator, which is at the top, and the denominator, which is at the bottom of the fraction. And so when you add and subtract fractions, they need to have the same denominator. We're not going to have to worry about that in this video because in all of these questions they already have the same denominator, but it's something we're going to worry about. And so when we have something like this first example, which is 3/7 plus 2/7, if you have 3 of something plus 2 of something, you're going to end up with 5 of something. And so we end up with 3/7 plus 2/7 gives us 5/7. So we're just adding the numerators because it's fractions. Okay? So 3/7 plus 2/7 gives us 5/7. The denominator does not change. Okay? So if we look at the next one, there's nothing different about it other than it's a subtraction. So if you've got 5/9 of something and you take away 2/9 of something, we're going to end up with 3/9 of something. That's not quite the end of the question because we can further simplify 3/9 because 3 and 9 are both in the 3 times table. So 3/9 can simplify to be 1/3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So 3/9 becomes 1/3. So 5/9 minus 2/9, first of all becomes 3/9, and then we can simplify that fraction, giving us into a 1/3. Okay? Here we've got 4/5 plus 3/5. So we add the numerators, and we get 4 plus 3 is 7/5, which we can leave it like that if we want, but some people don't like it having the numerator bigger than the denominator. So we can change that to be how many full, imagine a pizza, how many full pizzas have you got? So it's going to be 1 full pizza and 2/5 left over. Okay, so 7/5 splits up into 5/5 plus 2/5, which then becomes 1 and 2/5. But 7/5 is still correct. Okay. Now, last question, more written out version. So it says if you have 5/6 of a pizza and you eat another 2/6, how much is left? So the first thing we need to work out is what am I actually asking you? Is this adding or subtracting? So you're starting with 5/6 and you're eating 2/6, so it's taking away, so it's subtraction. So we can set it up to be 5/6 minus 2/6. 5/6 minus 2/6 gives us 3/6, and then all we need to do is check to see whether or not that can simplify. 3 and 6 are in the same times table, so 3/6, 3 divided by 3 becomes 1, 6 divided by 3 becomes 2. Okay? So we've got 3/7 plus 2/7 gives us 5/7. 5/9 minus 2/9 gives us 3/9, but then that simplifies to be 1/3. 4/5 plus 3/5 gives us 7/5, which then we could rearrange and write as 1 and 2/5, but I'd accept both of them. And lastly, we have this written out question that becomes 5/6 minus 2/6, which becomes 3/6, and then 3/6 simplifies to be just 1/2.